Welcome to our 7-day challenge, where we will journey to boost your energy levels naturally through the power of mindset and daily routines. Are you ready to feel more energized, focused, and vibrant each day? Let's dive in. The purpose of this challenge is simple yet profound: to help you tap into your body's natural energy sources and optimize your daily habits for increased vitality. By incorporating small, actionable steps into your routine, you can experience a significant boost in your overall energy levels. Mindset plays a crucial role in this challenge, setting the tone for approaching each day. By cultivating a positive and proactive attitude, you can overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and maintain a sense of resilience throughout the week. Daily routines are the building blocks of our energy levels. Your habits shape your energy levels and overall well-being from when you wake up to when you go to bed. By making simple yet effective changes to your daily routine, you can create a sustainable energy boost beyond the 7-day challenge. Join us on this journey to discover the potential positive impact of optimizing your mindset and daily routines on your energy levels and overall well-being. Get ready to feel more alive, focused, and energized. Day 1. Morning Rituals. Welcome to Day 1 of our 7 days challenge. Today we will focus on energizing morning routines to kickstart your day with positivity and vitality. Are you ready to set the tone for a day of energy and productivity? Let's get started. Start your morning by incorporating activities that will enhance your energy levels and promote a sense of well-being. Consider beginning with a short meditation session to center your mind and set a positive intention for the day ahead. Follow this with gentle stretching exercises to awaken your body and improve circulation. A healthy breakfast is essential for fueling your body and providing the necessary nutrients to sustain your energy levels throughout the morning. Opt for a balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to satisfy and energize you. Setting intentions for the day is a powerful practice that can help you maintain a positive mindset and focus on your goals. Take a few moments to reflect on what you hope to achieve and how you want to feel throughout the day. Setting clear intentions allows you to align your actions with your goals and stay motivated. Remember to prioritize hydration and movement in your morning routine. Start your day with a glass of water to rehydrate your body after a night of rest. Incorporate light movements like a short walk or gentle yoga to get blood flowing and invigorate your body. By prioritizing these simple yet effective practices, you can kickstart your day with energy, positivity, and vitality. Day 2. Mindset Reset. Welcome to Day 2 of our 7 days challenge. Today we will focus on cultivating a positive mindset to sustain your energy levels throughout the day. Are you ready to shift your focus toward positivity, abundance, and resilience? Let's dive in. One powerful way to cultivate a positive mindset is through gratitude journaling. Take a few moments in the morning to write down things you are grateful for. This practice can help shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life, fostering a sense of abundance and contentment that can fuel your energy levels throughout the day. Mindfulness exercises are another effective way to reduce stress, increase mental clarity, and promote a positive mindset. Take time to practice deep breathing, body scans, or mindful walking to center your mind and bring awareness to the present moment. By cultivating mindfulness, you can better manage stress and maintain a sense of calm and focus. Incorporate affirmations and visualization techniques into your day to boost confidence, motivation, and positivity. Start your day by reciting affirmations that resonate with you and visualize yourself achieving your goals with clarity and conviction. By harnessing the power of positive affirmations and visualization, you can cultivate a solid and resilient mindset that sustains your energy levels and propels you towards success. Day 3. Energizing Workouts. Welcome to Day 3 of our 7 days challenge. Today we will focus on integrating energizing physical activities into your daily routine to enhance your vitality and energy levels. Are you ready to get moving and feel the stimulating benefits of exercise? Let's jump into it. When it comes to energizing workouts, it's essential to include a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises for a well-rounded fitness routine. Cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, or dancing can elevate your heart rate and stamina. Strength training exercises, such as weightlifting or body weight, can help build muscle strength and endurance. Incorporating flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching can improve your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Consistency is critical to reaping the benefits of exercise. Find activities that bring you joy and energy, making staying committed to your fitness routine easier. Whether it's dancing to your favorite music, running in the park, or practicing yoga in your living room, choose activities that resonate with you and make you feel alive and energized. Consider taking your workouts outdoors for a refreshing change of environment and a natural energy boost. Exercising in nature can invigorate your senses, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. So lace up your sneakers, step outside, and embrace the energizing power of outdoor workouts for a revitalizing and uplifting experience. Day 4, Nutritional Fuel. Welcome to Day 4 of our 7 Days Challenge. Today, we will optimize energy levels through nourishing and balanced meals and snacks. Are you ready to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and sustain energy throughout the day? Let's explore the power of nutritional fuel. Focus on whole foods rich in nutrients when nourishing your body for optimal energy levels. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals and snacks to provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and energy-boosting nutrients. Practicing mindful eating is crucial in supporting digestion and energy utilization. Take the time to savor and enjoy your meals, paying attention to hunger cues and stopping when satisfied. Chew your food slowly and be present during meals to enhance digestion and promote a sense of satisfaction and energy. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Remember to drink adequate water to stay hydrated and support your body's functions. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased energy levels, so make it a priority to sip water regularly and include hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables in your meals and snacks. Staying hydrated can optimize energy levels, support digestion, and promote well-being. Day 5, Stress Management. Welcome to Day 5 of our 7 Days Challenge. Today, we will focus on implementing stress-reducing techniques to prevent energy depletion and promote relaxation. Are you ready to unwind, recharge, and cultivate a sense of calm and balance? Let's explore the power of stress management. Consider incorporating deep breathing exercises, yoga, or nature walks into your daily routine to reduce stress and prevent energy depletion. Deep breathing can help calm the mind and body, relieve tension, and promote relaxation. Practicing yoga can improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity, while providing peace and tranquility. Connecting with nature through walks or outdoor activities can rejuvenate your spirit, reduce stress, and boost your energy levels. Adequate rest and sleep are crucial for optimal energy restoration and stress management. By prioritizing rest and sleep, you can enhance your energy levels, improve your mood, and better cope with stress. Day 6, Mindful Breaks. Welcome to Day 6 of our 7 Days Challenge. Today we will incorporate mindful breaks throughout the day to recharge and maintain focus. Are you ready to pause, reset, and boost your energy and productivity? Let's explore the power of mindful breaks. Promoting short breaks for activities like stretching, deep breathing, or quick mindfulness exercises can help you recharge and refocus throughout the day. Take a few minutes to stretch your body, release tension, and improve circulation. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind, reduce stress, and increase mental clarity. Engage in mindfulness exercises to bring awareness to the present moment and cultivate a sense of calm and focus. Unplugging technology during breaks is essential to reducing mental fatigue and preventing burnout. Incorporating mindful breaks into your routine can improve focus, reduce stress, and maintain balance and well-being. Day 7, Reflection and Celebration. Congratulations on reaching Day 7 of our 7 Days Challenge. Today is about reflecting on your progress and celebrating your achievements in naturally boosting energy. Are you ready to acknowledge your growth, celebrate your wins, and set intentions for continued success? Let's dive into reflection and celebration. Take some time to journal about your experience throughout the 7-day challenge. Reflect on the insights gained, the energy improvements you've noticed, and the positive changes you've implemented in your daily routine. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain clarity, process your journey, and celebrate your growth. Celebrate the small wins and milestones you've reached during the challenge. Whether completing a workout, practicing mindfulness, or making healthier food choices, each achievement is a step towards enhancing your energy levels and overall well-being. Acknowledge your progress and give yourself credit for the efforts you've put in. Consider how you can continue to prioritize self-care, mindfulness, and healthy choices in your daily life. By setting intentions and committing to sustainable practices, you can build on your progress and continue to thrive in your journey towards optimal energy and vitality. Celebrate your achievements, honor your growth, and embrace the positive changes you've made. Cheers to your success. Daily routines are the foundation of our energy levels. Incorporating healthy habits like exercise, nourishing meals, and self-care practices into your routine can sustain your energy levels and enhance your overall well-being. Please continue implementing these tips and techniques daily to support your energy levels and vitality. Remember, your journey toward optimal energy is ongoing. I invite you to explore more energy-boosting content on our channel for continued support and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. And here's to a future filled with energy, vitality, and well-being. Keep shining bright.